Hello, and today I will show you how to make a strawberry and banana smoothie. First off, gather all your ingredients. For the smoothie, you will need strawberries, a banana, plain Greek yogurt, ice, and whipped cream. Step 1. Slice up roughly a cup of strawberries, but being careful not to cut yourself. Then, carefully gather the strawberries and place them in the blender. Step 2. Peel your banana and slice it up. And then gather all the slices and put them in the blender with the strawberries. Step 3. Grab your plain Greek yogurt and measure out about 1.5 cups of it with a spoon. Pour it into the blender with the fruit. Step 4. Gather 2 cups of crushed ice. Then put it in the blender. Step 5. Blend your drink by pulsing it until it is smooth. It works best when it is on a higher speed. Step 6. Pour your drink into a separate glass and then add some whipped cream and a straw, then enjoy.